Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pause Instagram Reels. Sometimes a reel moves too fast and you want to stop and read or see something more closely. So this video is for you. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on the reel icon at the bottom. And when you want to pause the reel, simply tap and hold the screen with one finger. The video will stop playing while you are holding down. This lets you pause and check out any details without the reel moving too fast. When you are ready to continue watching, just lift your finger and the reel will start playing again from where you left off. And that's it, a quick and easy way to pause Instagram Reels to catch any details you don't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.